Hey, what's up, good people? This is Larry Jones. Hey, do yourself a favor and go ahead and hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. And if you've been rolling with me for a while, continue to hit the like button. And if you don't want to hit the like button, if you're first time here, wait to the end and hopefully I'll earn your like. Today, I'm going to simply talk about if I lost it all. But before I do that, at the end of this video, make sure you check out all of the links below, including the Webull, where you can deposit, steal $1 and get a bunch of free stock, all right? And Coinbase for your cryptocurrency, okay? So let's talk about if I lost it all. If I lost every dime, and these are facts. And it's gonna sound a little arrogant, but it's not. I'm very humble. And I'm blessed, and I thank God for the opportunities and the knowledge that He has allowed me to have and to gain. And I am still learning. But if I lost it all, I do know that there's going to be this group of people that's going to say, wow, he lost it all. Larry lost it all. The first thing I would do is I would get my wife and I. Number one, I would thank God for the journey. I would find the less expensive or the least expensive 1-bedroom apartment, and I would move in it. The least expensive. I would get a full-time job. There's 11 million of those that are currently unfilled. And I would also get a side hustle. That I would DoorDash, I would drive Uber like I was doing in 2018. I would edit music. I would do something that I know how to do to make extra money. And I'm telling you, I would live on a third of my income. It would be no more than a third of my income. And I would look my wife and I and tell her, hey, any kind of way we could save money, that's what we're going to do for the next 2 years. And that's what I would do. I would not care about what these people are saying. I would narrow my influence and I would only entertain people that were wealth-minded. That's it. And I will tell you that I will grind. What I would do now is I would start investing in stock that I think would make money right now, banks, consumables, etc. And then I would, if a bear market comes in 2022, I would dollar cost average through the bear market. I would find good growth stock. I would find good value stock, and I would try to buy them at their absolute lowest when they are oversold and beat down. And I would just dollar cost average all the way through the bear market. And I'm telling you, within 2 years, I would be wealthy again. Because I heard an interview one day of a billionaire. I think this was 2008. They were interviewing this billionaire and they said, you just lost like $50 million. Don't you feel awful? He says, yeah. Nobody likes to lose money, but it's okay. The interviewer was shocked. And he looked at this person and he said, number one, I know how to make money. Number two, I have other billionaire friends. It's nothing for me to ask for them to loan me $10 million because they know that I know how to make money. And the truth be told, good people, I would go to some wealthy people and ask them for money because they know I have proof that I know how to make money. And if I couldn't get that, I would continue to work. And even if I didn't get a dime, within a few short years, I would be wealthy again. And I'm saying this to encourage you guys. There's a scripture in the good book that says, as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. If you change your mind, you change your heart. You change your heart and your mind, you change your path. And so that's all it is. It's an acquired taste. If I had the opportunity to roll back the hands of time and to go back to where I was 21, before I got married and everything, I would have started day one investing no less than 10% of my income net. No less than 10% would invest first because I would pay myself first. Then my children coming up, I would invite them into the how to be wealthy at a very early age, right? I would expose them to that at a very early age. My family and my friends, because if you show your family and friends how to make money, that means that they will have no need to come to you to borrow it. And these are some of the things that I would do to be wealthy again. I wouldn't worry about the right now. I wouldn't worry about driving the nice whip, having the nice shoes, or wearing the nice clothes or jewelry. I wouldn't worry about none of that for 2 years. And again, I wouldn't worry about what these naysayers would be saying. He lost it all. Because those same people that said he lost it all, in a few short years would be saying, wow, he lost it all and gained it all back. Some of those people will say, how lucky is he? But some of those people will see he's not lucky, he's wise. And so I'm challenging you for 2022. Change your trajectory. Change the things that you do and watch what happens. I'm going to leave by saying this. Millionaires are made during bull markets. Billionaires are made during bear markets. So even if we go into a bear market, good people, that is the greatest opportunity for you to gain wealth. All right? Hey, good people, listen, make sure you check out all of the links below. I will be seeing you before the new year. But if I don't see you before Christmas, if I don't talk to you before Christmas, I want you to have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I want you to have a Merry Christ Mass. And Christ Mass, we are celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. And during this period, I'm going to be praying over each and every one of you and your finances. I'm going to be praying that you gain wealth and your children and your children's children. I love each and every one of you guys. Merry Christmas.